What's up, you guys? This is your boy Joel El Tico, not Joel, Joel. And today I want to talk to you guys about why I started trading, investing, and also looking into Forex while serving in the military. I believe that this video, it will help you guys out to see my insight and also maybe give you a little motivation to see if I can do it, you guys can do it too. So if you guys are excited and they are interested to see this video, stay tuned, guys. So let's start with a story about me, guys. I joined the military in 2017. I was around 22 years old. I remember like if it was yesterday when I shipped out to boot camp. It was a really crazy time, guys. And at that time, I didn't really know anything about the military. I thought it was gonna be totally different than what it is right now, but you know, it is what it is. Now that I'm here and then I'm serving for almost 3 years, I see the ups and downs. And then after my first deployment in 2017, my life was a mess. You know, I was drinking and spending my money, and basically my life wasn't going nowhere. And I didn't want to be stuck there forever, so I started looking into ways to make money online. And then I got introduced into Amazon FBA, into Shopify, marketing agency, everything you can think about. I actually tried a couple of these companies, but as you guys can see, it didn't work out. It was because it was my fault. I didn't put the effort. I didn't kept looking into getting the knowledge, and I just gave up basically. So I'm not saying that these business ideas don't work. I'm just saying that they're a little different for what I was looking for. For example, for Amazon FBA, you have to have a lot of money to get started. You gotta contact a lot of suppliers, find the right product, create a page, create a logo. It's a lot of work that goes into it, and at that time I didn't really have the time for it, or the money, because I was really broke. And then I moved on into marketing agency. It was actually a really interesting business model to me, because you really don't have to have a lot of money or no money at all, to be honest, to start in this business idea. If you guys don't really know what is it about, it's basically you contact small business owners and then you run their Facebook ads. So you gotta be really good in Facebook ads, and then like communication skills. And I'm really not, to be honest. I'm not the best. I don't really like talking to people that much, to be honest with you guys. But so dealing with people is not really my thing. And with marketing agency, I feel like you have to be depending on someone else to make profit and to have a successful business, basically. And I don't really like that. I don't really like depending on people. So I kind of stopped doing that and moved on to the next thing. Last year, in the beginning of the year, January 2019, I started getting introduced into Shopify. Shopify, yes, I tried Shopify, guys.
Yeah, Shopify.
Shopify was actually that bad. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. And to be honest, Shopify seemed like a really good business model for me, because it's basically like Amazon FBA. If you guys don't know about it, it's basically you find cheap products from China, from suppliers from China, and then you basically flip them. Like you sell them for maybe like a profit. So you find a product for $5 and then create a page, some Facebook ads, and then basically sell it for 20, keep the difference, and all that, right? That's the main idea, main focus. And I actually liked it, but I didn't follow through it, because like still you have to do a lot of research to find the right product. You have to contact suppliers, and then like I said, I really don't like dealing with people. I like get money on my own terms. So I was kind of working into Shopify store, Shopify business, and I created maybe 1-2 products, but they weren't really successful. So I kind of gave up in a way. I kind of got discouraged, and at that time I was introduced into the stock market, and I actually read this book called The 10-Minute Millionaire. So yeah, I got introduced into options, and I read the book, and then I just got hooked. I really like the whole idea into use, like, go in your laptop, click a couple buttons, and make money. That's basically the main idea, but it goes more stuff into it, like the patterns. You have to like learn candlesticks and a lot of things that go after that. But the main idea, I just fell in love with it, to be honest with you guys, because you don't really deal with no people, so you on your own terms. You need quite a few money to get started, and then a lot of skills, and then a lot of knowledge into actually start making profits. But once you start getting profits, you get hooked. It's like an addiction, and you just want to learn more. So that's what I did. I started researching more. So yeah, that's what I did, guys, and also I loved it. I maybe like
You could do so.
I made maybe like 2-3 trades my first month, and I made like a few $100. I was barely like testing the waters. So the second month I got a little cocky, and I actually lost thousands of dollars, guys. I lost around I don't really remember the number, but it was like a few $1,000s, and that really got me kind of upset and a little down, because nobody likes losing, guys. So I stopped trading and then looking in the stock market for maybe like a month or two, and I kind of was discouraged and everything, but something inside of me told me that I need to get back to it, start getting this money. So I started learning a little more. I started like practicing a little more, getting a little more risk management on, and I made profit on that, and then I got hooked even more. And I got a Tesla call and an Apple call, if you guys can see right here. And then these ones are the ones that were my biggest wins ever. I never seen this type of money before in my life, and I didn't even know it was possible to make. I saw these people, YouTubers, and everybody saying that, they made all this money from trading. I didn't believe it, but I actually experienced it myself, and I was hooked even more. Yeah, so basically I started trading. I started looking more into patterns, and the beginning of this year, guys, I was profitable, but I went down really hard. I went down like maybe like $15,000, guys. If you guys already know, yes, the illness is going around the world. Yes, the stock market crashed, and the positions that I didn't have no risk management, and then I thought it was gonna be only for like a couple days. The losses, I didn't cut my losses, and I lost around like $15,000, and it was really hard, to be honest, because it seemed like all this time and all this effort that I put to earn that money, it just like went away in like a week or two. But that didn't really discourage me, guys, because I kind of like have the idea, and I know it's possible. So yeah, even though I lost a lot of money, but I know I can get it back. I'm not a master yet or anything like that. I'm still in the process of learning. I still know quite a few tricks and quite a few patterns that I can work with, but I'm still like getting myself back up, because losing that much money is like, you can't really go back to the way I was. So I gotta start slowly, trying to get back into where I was, or even better, guys. So the point of my channel is to show you guys my journey. I'm going to do a lot of learning, and then it's gonna do a lot of failure, but it's okay, guys. That's life. You lose some, you win some, but the thing, I'm not gonna give up. I'm just gonna keep going, and I want to show you guys my journey. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited. Hopefully you guys subscribe, so you guys can see my content, and then I can break up all the mistakes that I did, and also the things that I learned, because I want to share that with you guys. So if you guys don't mind, please subscribe, give a like to this video, and show some love, because I would really appreciate it. I will try my best to put out there what I learned, and then my best strategies and all that. So please like this video, and then thank you very much for watching, guys. Appreciate it.